Welcome to the future of luxury travel. What you're about to see is not just a motorhome, it's a statement of sophistication, an oasis on wheels. This is a futuristic multi-floor motorhome that combines sleek design with unrivaled comfort, creating a living space that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. From the bold, curved exterior with golden accents to the panoramic glass walls that stretch across the body, this motorhome turns heads and offers a glimpse into the future of mobile living. As you enter, you're immediately welcomed by a high-tech lounge that exudes luxury. The seating is upholstered in soft, plush leather, designed to give you the ultimate in comfort. Golden strip lighting runs along the walls and ceilings, casting a soft glow that enhances the modern ambience. The kitchen is a marvel of design and functionality, crafted to make cooking and dining a pleasure. Matte black marble countertops, accented with gold veining, surround the space, giving it a contemporary, sophisticated look. State-of-the-art appliances are seamlessly integrated into the design. A small dining area with 2 chairs provides the perfect spot for meals, all while being bathed in soft, ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood. Moving into the bedroom, you're greeted by a serene, futuristic sanctuary. The queen-size floating bed rests against dark wood paneling that highlights the subtle golden accents throughout the space. The soft, hidden lighting beneath the bed creates a warm, inviting glow, perfect for winding down after a long journey. The bathroom is nothing short of a 5-star spa. A rainfall shower encased in smart glass, which can switch from transparent to opaque at the touch of a button, gives you a truly unique experience, while polished stone basins and golden fixtures add to the opulence. It's a space that rivals the best hotel bathrooms, offering relaxation and luxury on the go. And then, there's the cockpit. The driving experience in this motorhome is like nothing else. The panoramic glass windshield gives the driver an unobstructed view of the road, while the futuristic dashboard features touch panels and holographic displays that make driving feel like piloting a spaceship. Merging cutting-edge technology with artistic elegance, creating an experience that's more about luxury than just getting from point A to point B. This motorhome also comes with its very own private gym. Fully equipped with cardio machines, free weights, and large mirrors, this space allows you to maintain your fitness routine no matter where you are. The mirrors stretch across the walls, reflecting the soft, golden lighting that adds a sense of depth and elegance to the space. Now, let's talk about the indoor pool, a true luxury in a vehicle of this size. This stunning pool, nestled inside the motorhome, features sleek black tiles with gold accents and is surrounded by soft, ambient lighting that makes it feel like an exclusive spa. It's the perfect spot to unwind and relax, whether you're taking a quick dip or simply enjoying the serene atmosphere. And if you thought that was it, step out onto the balcony. The space is designed for ultimate relaxation, with plush seating arranged to offer the best views. Whether you're watching the sunset or taking in the endless landscape, the balcony gives you the perfect outdoor retreat to enjoy the journey, all while being surrounded by the same high-end design that defines the rest of the motorhome. It's not just about getting from one place to another, it's about experiencing the journey in style, with every possible luxury at your fingertips. So, here's the big question: if you had the chance, would you leave your traditional home behind and make this futuristic motorhome your new home on wheels? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more incredible luxury builds from the future.